dear teachers and students. Today I like to say some information on trees. Trees are very important part of our life. Trees gives us oxygen, fruit, flowers, vegetables, wood, medicines and shelters. Trees are our best friend because they clean the air we breathe. Likewise, trees also clean the water and soil and ultimately make the earth a better place. In ancient times, humans also made weapons using the trees. If there were no trees, we should not get shade, we should not get pure air to breathe. So, so save trees, save world.